tire now. Got some brand new Continentals going on these rims. Before you install a tire, you want to lube the beads with the quality tire lubricant as to not damage the new tire. So you see I'm going to set that down there. I'm going to slide the arm back over. And you'll see I've kind of got this tire at an angle like this. We're going to walk it down. There it goes. Second part of this tire installation is keeping tucked in over here, but on top over here. And we're going to walk it around. Now the tire's installed. Now one of the things that people ask a lot about or don't understand is what are these dots on the sidewall? A lot of your new tires will come with dots on them, maybe a yellow or a red. This is the actual point where the manufacturer has identified probably the highest point of that tire. That means I want to line this tire up with my valve stem. If I can get it spin a little bit. So if you see red or yellow, or in this case blue, the one thing to remember is red rules. So red, line that up with your valve stem. Again, no tire is perfectly balanced, no rim is perfectly balanced, but trying to identify the highest point and matching it with my valve stem hole is a good starting point. Remember, as you air your tire up, never exceed 40 pounds while seating these beads. Another really nice thing that I like about Continental tires is you see how they have this rim guard built into their tire. This protects that rim from any damage.